Hey there, fam. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of a powerful chemical that influences our everyday lives in ways we might not even realize. We're talking about dopamine. 1. What is dopamine? First things first, what exactly is dopamine? Well, it's an immensely powerful chemical that our brain and body produce naturally. It's often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter because of its role in pleasure, reward, and motivation. 2. Functions of dopamine. So, what does dopamine do? It plays a crucial role in a wide range of functions, including pleasure and reward. Dopamine is released when we experience pleasure or reward, reinforcing behaviors that contribute to our well-being. Motivation. It's the driving force behind our desire to accomplish goals, both big and small. Focus. Dopamine helps us concentrate and stay on task, keeping distractions at bay. Addiction. Unfortunately, it's also a key player in addiction, as substances like drugs and alcohol can hijack our dopamine system. Mood regulation. Dopamine is involved in regulating our mood, and imbalances can contribute to conditions like depression. 3. Neural circuits involved. Dopamine doesn't work in isolation. It's part of complex neural circuits in our brain, primarily the reward system. These circuits involve areas like the nucleus accumbens, prefrontal cortex, and ventral tegmental area, for dopamine peaks and baselines. Now, let's talk about dopamine peaks and baselines. Dopamine levels can vary from person to person, and even throughout the day. Peaks occur when we experience something highly rewarding, like winning a game or enjoying a delicious meal. Baselines, on the other hand, represent our everyday, resting dopamine levels. 5. Cell biology of dopamine depletion. The cell biology of dopamine depletion is a crucial topic. Conditions like Parkinson's disease involve the loss of dopamine-producing neurons. Understanding this process can shed light on potential treatments and prevention strategies. 6. Controlling dopamine for motivation and focus. Now, let's get practical. How can we control our dopamine for the sake of motivation and focus? Here are some tips. Set clear goals. Clearly define your objectives to boost motivation. Break tasks into smaller steps. Achievable milestones release dopamine, keeping you motivated. Exercise regularly. Physical activity stimulates dopamine production and improves mood. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques can help regulate dopamine release and reduce impulsivity. 7. Avoiding and combating addiction and depression. To avoid addiction and combat depression, it's essential to maintain a healthy dopamine system. Seek professional help when needed and consider therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy. 8. Sustained increases in baseline dopamine. Achieving sustained increases in baseline dopamine can be a game changer. Focus on activities that consistently bring you joy, practice gratitude, and maintain a healthy lifestyle to keep your dopamine system in check. 9. Compounds that affect dopamine neurons. Finally, let's talk about compounds that affect dopamine neurons. Caffeine is one such compound, and its effects can vary based on the source. High-quality, organic coffee or tea can provide a mild dopamine boost, while excessive caffeine consumption or energy drinks may lead to overstimulation and crashes. In conclusion, understanding dopamine, its functions, and how to control it can empower us to lead more motivated, focused, and fulfilling lives. Remember, it's all about balance and taking care of your brain's reward system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious, and keep those dopamine levels in check. Thanks for watching.